Juice. High vibrations. You already know what time it is. Today, we're juicing up
liquid.
If you've been feeling bloated, sluggish, or like your body just needs a serious reset, this juice is exactly what you need. Packed with detoxifying greens, hydrating vegetables, and a metabolism boosting kick, this juice will have you feeling lighter, clearer, and more energized inside and out. And yes, we're going all in on flavor because I know y'all want that sweet juice. Stay tuned to the end because I'm answering your juicing questions, breaking down how this juice supports digestion and weight loss, and giving you a special offer on my juicing e-bundle so you can take your glow up to the next level. Now, let's get juicing. Why this juice works. Cucumber.A hydration MVP, full of silica to nourish your skin, joints, and hair. Also high in H3O2, that is better than water. Celery is a natural diuretic, which flushes out excess water weight and bloating. We don't want that now, do we? Put parsley in your juice. Don't be scared. It is a natural detoxifier. I know y'all want that juice sweet. Put the green apples in there. Spinach is a powerhouse of iron, chlorophyll, and antioxidants to nourish your blood and support energy levels. Like pow, like Popeye with the spinach. Lemon.Alkalizes the body. It's electric. Supports digestion and cuts through mucus buildup in the gut. Ginger is the ultimate digestion booster. Oh my God, I feel like that ginger be burning my fat off. And it decreases my cravings for junk food. Ginger speeds up metabolism. It reduces bloating and it keeps your cravings in check. This is the lineup that will have your body singing, thank you. Feels like a hug from the inside out. Load your Nama J2 juicer for hands-free magic. This cold press juicer keeps all the enzymes alive, meaning you get the most nutrients in every sip, and it produces so much juice. Grab a glass, take a sip, and let the refreshment take over. Chef's kiss. Drinking green juice with the sunrise or on an empty stomach allows your body to absorb these powerful nutrients without the extra work of breaking down fiber. It's like running off on the plug twice. It's a direct deposit of hydration, vitamins, and minerals straight into your cells. And let's talk about structured water, H3O2. Cucumbers and celery naturally contain this special type of water that hydrates your body at a deeper level, untouched by man, unproduced, and unprocessed. Now, if you're serious about making juicing a lifestyle, grab my juicing e-bundle. It's packed with beginner-friendly recipes, quick start guide, and everything you need to glow from the inside out. The link is in the description. And let me know in the comments, what's your go-to green juice ingredient? You know green, my favorite color. Stay high vibrations. I'll see you in the next video.